got murder on my mind. AK-47s, Mac 11s, Glocks and 9s, and all these pussy niggas hating, trying to knock me off my grind. But I can't let them do it. I got murder on my mind, bitch. I got murder on my mind.
Oh, this shit for X. Yeah. But hold on, boy. Y'all already know who this is. This be my channel.
This your man, Jalen, man.
Hey, that's Jay Banger. Hey, look at him. Look at him. Hey, we was chopping on some fucking food.
His ghost
this nigga like Hey man, look at my look at my homeboy, man. What down, babe? What down with him?
Look at we. Oh, I don't want to.
What's that stinks, huh? Hey, but look, we're playing baseball. I'm better than this nigga, man.
Oh Lord,
I'm telling you.
Now you going for the captain, man.
Hey, he struck now. We let him go to first base.
Hey, put the gun back on the car.
Damn, look at your head. Damn.
I want some more butter pecan.
You know you going on there. Hulk Hogan head ass. What's up? What's up, bro? Damn. Hey, you know, J head doing flash out. You gonna make it there a crash?
Hey, everybody.
What up, Wall, bro? Hey, you ready for school? Fuck no? You wearing your glasses?
No.
Fuck, son. I'm trying to, hey, real talk though. I'm trying to get me some glasses. My dude, Doodlebug. Hey, you know what his Instagram name is? Oh, shit.
It's
You know what his Instagram name is? Big Trey. Big Trey.
Hey, look at the car. I haven't put that nigga back on there.
What up, bro? Let me see teeth. Hey, we there. Boy, you looking like a damn baby. Man, look at Stank, man. That boy, boss. Hey, this is not the life and clothes, man. Look at these trifling niggas, man.
Oh, life in
Boy, I know you ain't talking. Look at the paper you dropped on the ground, bitch. Stop trying to lie.
Yeah, hey, I'm sorry. I dropped paper on the ground. Hey, we're playing baseball. We winning right now. I caught a outfield, whatever they call it.
Okay,
I caught an outfield. But I had a better game than Jalen.
He got YouTube, Jay?
I had a better game than Jalen.
He shits.
Jay Banger. Tell you had a better game than Jay Banger.
Huncho. What's that? Huncho Bang? What the fuck is that? ATK?
Think you gonna save it for later?
What?
You don't got no more?
God damn, how you ate them all already?
My phone getting wet because of y'all. Y'all
Come on, Instagram, you can go live, nigga. You got an XR.
I can't. I told you my button broke.
I be on live.
Oh, he just thought pussy.
See, man, watch your phone. Oh, he said you should post the same video on Instagram.
No, I did.
Hold on.
Look at his eyes.
Look at him.
Looks like he on Percocets. Where you get that t-shirt from?
Look at the car shirt. Look
This is
at
a baseball shirt.
Man, tell me why this nigga was playing in this shirt in football. And look what happened now. That's his church shirt. That's his church shirt.
Ain't that ball playing with his balls. Don't be letting them touch on you.
It's not even Sunday. That's his church shirt. Oh, it been Friday. You good, sir? This thing made him fight, huh? This thing made him fight. And look at him.
I got bands now.
Man, look at
I got fans now, mama.
Look at all our feet, man. I gotta hold up my shit. Man, look at this nigga feet.
People, look y'all, people for Kenner be white, no shoe.
Man, let me see. Oh, nigga say he from Kenner. I'm getting on your number, boy.
Zoom in.
Do be one
Didn't know how to zoom in.
It don't zoom in. I gotta zoom in when I you know.
Man,
Yeah.
play, dude.
Y'all ready to play?
Pop, look at Pop.
Y'all ready to play? Cause hey, after we play,
Oh my God.
look at my little brother. That's not my little brother, boy. You leaving? Don't leave, man. Hey, I called that nigga Ninja Turtle earlier. I told him. Yeah, we about to play. Hey, I'm about to come. Hey, I'm coming back with a vlog number 2 after this game. After I bust some ass, dude. I'm coming back. I got y'all. Say bye, everybody.
Peace out on that game.
Gang.